Ibitoy released by Van Rensburg. Here goes Ravalval, and those feet of his. Ravalval tripped up. Brilliantly by Stewart, tried saving for a moment. Oh yeah.
Once you rewind.
DJ Ross.